Good morning, children. Welcome to our EVS class. In today's class, we are going to discuss about birds. Our aim will be, we will identify the common birds and discuss their features. Our agenda will be show and tell activity, and then what is a bird, we will do the discussion on it. Children, can you see this bird? We have discussed this bird recently. Yes, you are right. This is peacock and it is our national bird. Similarly, we are having different kinds of bird. So, we are going to identify them. Alright? So, which bird is this? Pigeon. Now comes the eagle. This is parrot. Mittu bete, mittu bete. We all like to have it as a pet. Now, which bird is this? Owl. Yes, it is an owl. And this is duck. Quack, 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 quack. Duck can live in water as well as on land. Okay, children? Now comes the sparrow. All of you must have seen a sparrow coming on our windowsill. And this is hen. Hen gives us eggs. This bird is called vulture and it eats dead animals also. This sweet little bird is manna. This bird is called woodpecker. With its beak, it makes a hole in the trunk of a tree. This white color bird is swan. Here you can see crane, crow and kingfisher. And this bird is known as ostrich. Now children, we are going to see some real birds, okay? And for this, you have to watch the next video, okay?